we scrunched all of our white Hanes sweatshirts and shorts into Pyrex dishes, and we covered them with ice and then added whatever colors we wanted. I love the way these came out. And then we're just gonna let them sit overnight so that the color soaks through and saturates into all the fabric, and then we're gonna rinse them out and see what we got. Doesn't that look cool? Okay, we're gonna do this one first. Okay, so you wanna rinse them out one at a time because otherwise the
dye will mix.
The colors mix, yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start rinsing it out. Now these take a long time to rinse out because you have to have absolutely no color coming out of it. So first I'm going to take out this Pyrex, clean this out. You have to wear gloves because guess what? It'll stain your hands. We just want it to not be running all over the place, so we're going to, oh my god, the house is a mess. Don't judge. This one's really pretty.
That's
So you
mine.
kind of have to keep like...
What colors did you use?
I used blue, yellow, and red.
Okay, so I did my first batch, which is in the dryer. These came out so cute. Look, Sage! So this is one. These are great. So I'm washing each one individually by the color spectrum that we did. This is yours, Sage. This is a little bit big, but very cute. Can I put you down for a second? Okay. So I have one more in here that just washed. I did this purposefully in my laundry room to keep it from getting too messy. But I'm basically just washing them on really short 20-minute cycles with... Do you want to open that? Okay. Oh. On 20-minute cycles by the tray that I dyed together, just in case, so you can see it's like bleeding a little bit of color. I don't want to drip this on your head. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Okay, so I'm just doing 20 minutes with a drop of detergent. And let's see, let's set this to speed wash. Sage, you want to push the button? Okay, push that button. Good job. Okay, and that's it. And then once these are dry, everyone can wear them and they'll be ready to go. I didn't actually pre-wash them, but maybe you should, just when you first get the sweatshirts, but I didn't have time, so I did it without washing them, so they might shrink a little bit, but usually I like to wash them first. But as long as they're clean and ready to go, everyone can wear them. Okay, here's mine. I opened the door so you can get some natural light, but I used a lot of colors on this one, and I think came out pretty cool. It gets this like marbleized effect, but the ones I made before I didn't use as many, and I think the more colors the better actually.
We dyed white shirts.
Let me see yours.
These
Can you guys do a spin? Let me see Sage. Sage, you like yours? Oh, spin. Wow. Carter, did you have fun?
We had so much fun.
Let me see the back. Oh my gosh, yours is so cool. Now, let me see yours. Wow. All right, love you guys. Say bye.
Bye.